talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Welcome, this is AH and we selling handmade Christmas tumblers.
Ooh.
And the first one,
Ooh, that's nice.
take a look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful. Check that out. Oh, that's beautiful. What you got there? Ooh,
The Christmas tumbler.
nice. What you got?
And now,
Ooh,
what it is.
what is it? Ooh, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow. That's beautiful.
Take a look at those details.
Ooh,
We got the chocolate whipped cream. We got the gingerbread man.
ooh, gingerbread.
Hot cocoa. Hey, Caesar.
That's nice, that's nice.
Now we got the Christmas tree. So if you want to buy any of these for your family, boyfriend, girlfriend, you could get one of these.
Okay,
If you're rushing to find something at the last minute.
there it is. Nice.
And now this is for the babies.
What do you got there? Looks like a sippy cup.
It's a sippy cup.
That's nice.
Christmas.
Yeah, baby.
So let's talk about this. Merry Christmas.
Yeah. What you got there? Who is that?
We got Donald Duck,
Right.
Daisy.
Okay.
We got Mickey.
Yeah. Okay. Looks good. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, this one.
Oh, now this one. Take a look at those details.
That's beautiful. Ooh. That's nice. Let's see what you got on the top there. Is it bedazzled? That's beautiful. And if they don't like that color,
Then let's take it to this color.
ooh, yes. Let's see the bedazzles, baby.
Now this is the next one coming up is gonna be, oh yeah, the girl's favorite.
The girl's favorite.
Pink.
Pink. What does it say on there? Let it
Snow.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
And look at the top.
Ooh, that's beautiful. And this one here. What you got there? Who's on that? That looks transparent.
The Grinch.
Ooh,
Mr. Grinch. The
Mr.
gingerbread man.
Oh, and if you don't like transparent, you got the frosted. What you got there, buddy?
Mr. Grinch.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Now let's take a slow motion at this.
Ooh, that's nice. I like the way you swivel. I like the swivel. Ooh, what's that say?
Grinch on
Inside and bougie.
on the outside.
Let's see what that look like. Oh yeah, that's nice.
And if your favorite color is blue, this is for you.
Oh, that's it. That's my favorite color. Oh, blue bedazzle, baby. Turn that thing. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Now this one happens to be my favorite there, sir.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that silver is beautiful. Tell us a little bit about that there.
So it says,
Baby,
it's cold outside.
show it to him. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, I like that dipping. Oh, how cold is it?
Oop.
Oh my goodness, you don't blew it up. That is amazing. Yes, indeed.
Glitter on the outside.
Let's see how big that is. Stand back for a second. That's a big cup. Wow, that's amazing. And if they don't like blue,
then you can take pink.
Oh, check that out. You are on point today, buddy. You are on point. Talk about that one.
So, there is pink trees, there's silver stars, and let's not forget about the best part,
What's that?
the sparkles.
The sparkles. Because women love sparkles. And this one tends to have a little bit of fall vibes on it. Show them that. That's beautiful. Ooh, turn that. Let them see the front of that. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Ooh, yeah. There it is. Ooh, I like the way you held that. That's nice. And if they don't like that one,
Let's take this one.
that one says Christmas lights and hot.
Cocoa. Nice.
Show it to them. Show it to them. Talk about that one.
So, there's the gingerbread man, there's some hot cocoa, cinnamon. These details are nice. They got some candy canes. And let's
The
go.
last but not least, they
We
come in a
couldn't.
nice, beautiful box. And what does that say?
Is it Merry Grinchmas?
Show it to them. Show it to them. Ooh, and this. All of them have different prices. And all you have to do is go to the pinned comment and make sure you reach out. And reach out sooner than later because they're going to need it for their Christmas gifts. For their wife, for their
Daughter.
for their husband,
For their kids.
for their kids,
For their babies.
for their grandparents. Or maybe the son wants to buy it from mom.
Their girlfriends.
Girlfriends.
Their boyfriends.
Boyfriends, yeah. Talk to them.
So, technically, you can give these to anybody.
Anybody. Your boss is at work.
You can give it to one of them.
The teachers. We'll turn it so we can see it. There it is. Oh, yeah. That is it.
This would be good for the teachers.
Okay, show it to them one more again. Oh, yeah. That's nice. And don't forget about the bedazzled tops. And they come with straws in
Yep.
each and every one of them.
So go to the pinned comment down below.
And you said your name is,
AH
and you are.
out. Deuces. Deuces.